Assalamualaikum. My name is Samanakram. The topic of my presentation is preservatives of animals, humans, and plants organs. First of all, these are the contents. Preservatives of animal organs and preservative of plant organs and preservative of human organs. Then, what is preservative? First of all, I will define preservative. The term preservatives refers to the functional name for a wide variety of compounds that help slow or prevent bacterial growth in a wide range of products, including food, medicines, and personal care products. The compound can be natural or synthetic. Okay. Preservatives play important role in many products. People use many. For example, by helping prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms and protect product from spoilage, containment. Preservatives have many type preservatives in foods and preservatives in medicines, preservatives in medicine, pharmaceutical, preservatives in cosmetic, personal care use product, or preservatives in wood. Preservatives are substances that are added to the product, such as food product, beverage, pharmaceutical drugs, paints, biological samples, cosmetic, wood, and many other products to prevent decomposition by microbial growth or by undesirable chemical change. Now, in general, preservatives is implantable in two modes: chemical or physical. Chemical preservatives contain chemical compounds to the product, and a physical prevention process such as refrigerator or drying preservation food or addictive reduce risk of food burn infection, decrease microbial spoilage, and preserve food attributes and nutritional quality. Some dehydration, UVC radiation, freeze drying, and refrigerator chemical preservation are physical preservation and sometimes combined. These are natural or man made chemicals that are added to the food to stop them from spoilage. We actually preserve fresh food ourselves every day by storing food in fridge or a freezer. Smoking fish or meat over burning wood or coal are also method of preservation. To prevent spoilage of food by molds, yeast, and bacteria, preservation and acidic nature that make the organisms unable to grow. Okay, then I will define preservatives of animal organs. Specimen preservation means long-term preservation of organism, either a plant or animal, in the best possible condition so that it can be assessed in future as a reference collection for scientific purpose. The main goal in organ preservation is to maintain function of organs and tissue during storage, or that graft will functional reperfusion. There are currently two approaches of preservation for most transferable organs or static dynamic. The mixture of these chemicals is known as embalming fluid and is used to preserve body of decreased person for both funeral purpose and medicinal research in autonomial laboratories. Typically, embalming fluid contain a mixture of formaldehyde and methanol and other solvents. Okay, then why animal organs are preserved? Animal organs are preserved for taxonomic reason, for detailed examination, for a morphological study of particular animal, as each and every animal can't be in a research vicinity for a zoological museum collection. Most centers use static cold storage to preserve organs, and it is useful for younger donors with good quality organs. Organ preservation related, but many also resulted from donor and recipient factors that render the organ more stable. Preservation damage. The most common fixation is formaldehyde or water solution known as formalin. Some specimens may not be fixed before being submerged in fluid preserve. The preserve is commonly alcoholic, either ethanol. A big problem is that when organ become available for someone who has died, it can only be stored outside the body at 4 degrees Celsius for the short time, for 12 hours in the case of liver, which limit how far it can be transported. Okay, then steps for specimen preservation. Following are these are the some steps for specimen preservation: killing any relaxing organism, fixation, stop cellular respiration, kill bacteria within the organism, good penetrating ability, storage in bottles, jars, vials, or toys. Okay, most centers use static cold storage to preserve for younger donors with good quality organs. The most common fixation is formaldehyde or formaldehyde and water solution is known as formalin. Some specimens may not be fixed before being submerged in the fluid preserve. The preserve is commonly alcoholic, either ethanol or isopropyl alcohol. Organ preservation has been major importance ever since transpiration developed into global clinical activity. The relatively simple procedure were developed on the basis of comprehension of low temperature biology as related to organ outside the body. In past deceased, there has been a significant in knowledge of the sequence of effects in preserved organs and how dynamic inventions by perfusion can be used by magnitude injury and donated organs. The present review focus on new information about the cell and molecular events impacting on ischemia injury during organ preservation strategies which use varied composition and additives in organ preservation solution to deal these clear definition of developing protect for dynamic organs. Perfusion preservation solution can impact on desired attributes of dynamic organ perfusion. Organ transplantation has developed over 60 years from what could be considered as surgical research technique available to only a handful of patients into globally accepted treatment for an organ failure. Many advance has been made in clinical understanding of essential elements for success, including patients' magnitude surgical events. Okay, then purpose to preserve plant organs. For us, we preserve non-organ for studying anatomy and histology. Fluid preservation may changes in four colors. A study skin with skull, patient skeleton, purpose for studying color, hair quality, and molting patterns. Mounted skins with partial or entire skeletons, or freeze dried specimen, entire skeleton, for instance, for studying anatomy, geologically variation, or for age determination. Okay, then I will explain examples. Birds and mammals. Usually, birds and mammals are skinned, skull or skeleton mounts. Fresh can be removed by several means, such as boiling or using domestic bottles. Once bones are deflected, they can be placed in a bleach or hydrogen peroxide solution to whiten. Allowed to dry, place in bag or box with complete label tied to skull if possible. Okay, I will explain preservation of plant organs. Preservation of animal is a technique which allow the plant to maintain in originally appearance for a long time. Plants, flowers, and trees undergo a process whereby the natural sap is replaced with specific solution that allow the plant to maintain its suppleness. It has long been shown that pharmaceutical protect plant against viruses, bacteria, fungi. Okay, sorry. Viruses, bacteria, and fungi and herbivores, but only relatively recently we have learned that they are also critical in protecting human against diseases. A significant amount of medical plant is consumed by human as food related products. They additionally improve health and general well-being. According to plant list, the first consolidation checklist of world's plant completed in 2021. There are up to 1 million plant species on Earth, of which around 3,500. India is also known as for its traditional medical system. One of them, Ayurveda. I think Ayurveda is found mentioned in oceanal weights. The field of pharmaceutical drugs, as we know today, is based on historical use of plant. Valuable sources of that are ancient and meditative texts written by expressing who had a combined interest in botany and medicine. The pharmacological knowledge gained for indigenous peoples of a today is based on historical views, plants for valuable sources of that are ancient and medieval texts written by explorers who had combined interest in botany morphological knowledge. Valuable sources are ancient of medieval texts written by explorers who had a combined interest in botany and medicine. The anthropological knowledge gained from indigenous people of particular region is still used in search of new medicine compound originally from plant kingdom of word makeup, a framework from which novel drugs are developed. And these are more important of plant and biodiversity also result from the fact that bioactive compounds found in the wild many may not be reproducible in the laboratory. It has long been shown that pharmaceutical protect against viruses, bacteria, and fungi. Okay, then I will define why plants are preserved. Why plant organs are preserved? We preserve plant organ to save from injury, harm, or destruction, to keep alive, intact, or free from decay, to keep safe from decomposition, to can pickle or similarly prepare for future use, to keep up reserve for personal or specific use. The condition are required for the preservation of plants fossils: removing the material from oxygen rich environment of aerobical decay, fixing the organic material to radar and aerobic decay, introducing the fossils to sedimentary rock record. Leaves are often preserved as compression. Most of rhine curd plant look quite simple and specifically similar at first glance. At Taxa have bioamazing axis and are leafless. Abstract fossils have always been an intriguing and spectacular source of information for naturalists who discuss how life evolved in plants. It is difficult to find in the fossil record all organs or plants parts in connection to each other are scanned uh, and verified entities that somehow resembles and extend a relative. Nevertheless, several examples of whole plant destruction based on extensive collection of fossil parts have been published through years. Okay, then I will define methods to preserve plant organs. There are many methods to preserve organs. First method is naturally drying material. Some dry gases, reeds, spines, and other cones are most seed pods dry naturally. They should be harvested when they are still in good condition, usually in the fall of the year and in the end of the growing season, but before they become weathered in appearance. Then second method is air drying. This is by far the simple and least expensive method used by dry leaves and flowers. It takes a little time and skill, and nearly always produces satisfactory results. All flowers or stems that are semi-dry and that do not wilt readily can be used. Okay, then I will define microwave drying. Using a microwave oven for drying flour is another method to preserve flowers and other plant materials. Microwave dryings, which take only a few minutes in the oven, provide material that look fresher and more colorful than that obtained by other methods. Then, fourth method is pressing. The color and form of many leaves and other flowers can be pressed by placing them between layer of new paper or pages or colgate and weighting the top with the heavy flat object. Foliage should dry within or week, flower into weeks. Then next is skeletonizing. As the name implies, the treatment eliminates all tissues but the skeleton or vines of leaves. Skeletons leave lend interesting appearance to dried, heavy textured leaves such as manigola are the best choices for the method of preservation. Storage. When plant parts have been preserved, take almost care to prevent them from being damaged. Bag specimen is closed boxing or in sealed plastic bags containing mothballs but pocket of silica gel in the boxes to absorb any moisture in the air. Then I will define preservative of human organ. How human organ are preserved. Most organ are placed in static collection after they harvested, meaning that the organ is deposited. The field of organ preservation includes stiticore, cooling organ preservation fluid, and machine perfusion technique. The traditionally optimism organs preservation have been achieved by combination of minimizing donor using improved surgical Proteutment technique, vascular structure containing the abdominal aorta for rapid in Suticore cooling, removing abdominal aorta for rapid in Suticore cooling, removing abdominal organs alloy with separation of graft component on back table, employing cold storage technique with a hypercalcemia and situation at temperature of 4 degrees Celsius and traveling the donor or recipient pharmacological most organs, and this is useful for younger donors with the quality of organs. What is used to preserve organs? What is used to preserve organ? The preservation solution introduced by university in 1987. Most centers use static cold storage to preserve organs, and this is useful for younger donors with good quality organs. Most centers use static cold storage to preserve organs, and this is useful for younger donors with good quality organs. Hypertonic critical adenine is the most widely used preservation solution for kidney transplantation in China. Okay, another modern HMP system are smaller, lighter, and more sophisticated than originally machine work used by Basler and co-worker. Principle of HMP have not changed. A team of clinical must first remove the organ from its donor sets of gloved hand, coordinating to deftly cleave tissue for the body. Doctors then prep the harvested organ from transport to its recipient, who may be on a way by plane. Once the organ reaches its destination, the transplant operation can finally ceramic against storage must work swiftly to ensure the patient's safety and the organ visibility, and most organs are placed in static storage after they have harvested, meaning that the organ is deposited in the cooler full of ice. Putting on organs ice also sketch is cell limited energy stores and malleable from building up and breathing down the organ tissues. Among commonly transplanted organs, heart loses visibility the faster when stored in cooler. The heart is most sensitive. Lack of blood flow Organ preservation has developed over the past 50 years to reach the sophisticated and integrated clinical severity. One of the most important of these has been availability to apply organs preservation, protecting the delivered donor organ exchange to match the most sustainable recipient to the best available organs capable of rapid resumption of life function. The recipient patient this has only possibility by assuming a good understanding of the potential effect of hypertonic injury of the hypertonic injury, donated organs, and other preserve these by applying organ preservation. Organ preservation is supply line for organ transplantation. Currently, the liver, pancreas, and kidney can be successfully preserved for up to 2 days of fleshing. Organ preservation related to many organs result from donor recipient factors that renders the organ more susceptible to the preservation damage. In 2018, more than 3,600 organ transplantation took place in the US alone, according to United Network for Organ Sharing. The stock solution used at the Robert Wood Johnson Medical School contain three parts polyfluoride glycols, the for ethanol and 1 part phenol. The final embalming solution is prepared by adding 810 potassium nitrate, 586 sodium sulfate. We adopt embalming fluid for the purpose of plantation, and then embalming fluid is used as autonomical preservation deposition. Their chemical properties should preserve a good long-term strategies preservation of organ and tissue together with the preservation of overhardening and retention of cooler of tissues and organ. This should also be designated the fungal bacterial growth renders organ the final. The sentence of each substance will state whether or decision are made or not. In funnel, with the progress made by embalming by arterial injection, research for new preservation fluid opened up another possible way to extend this scientific field of expansion by means of chemistry. These preservatives play a vital role in preventing deterioration and food, protecting against spoilage from bad yeast in life-threatening bone and other organs that can caused by poisoning. And extension preservation reduce food cost to improve convenience, length, and of life. Organs are used for transplant. These used for growing many plants, used for food. Organ preservation is supply line for organ transplantation. Currently, the liver, pancreas, and kidneys can successfully preserve for up to 2 days of fleshing. The organs of University of Wisconsin organ preservation solution and storing impotent agent that prevent the cell from swelling during cold ischemic storage. Additionally, the UV solution contain glutamine and adenine agents that may stimulate recovery of normal metabolism upon reunion by augmenting the antioxidant capacity of organs or by stimulating higher energy phosphate genera upon repulsion. Okay. Although this method of organ preservation do not function well upon transplant, injury may be preservation related, but many also from donor and recipient factor that renders the organs more susceptible to preservation damage. This may be more appropriate preservation method that could solution that could storage in okay then although intra-abdominal organs are well preserved as patient intrathoracic organs are less well preserved, and better method for preservation of these organs are needed for increased use of lungs and heart transplantation. Okay, that's all about my topic. Thank you so much.